Chanel, classic and timeless. But did you guys know that they make sneakers too? Hi, my loves. I'm so excited to have you guys here with me. Today, we're gonna review the Chanel Sport Trail sneakers. And I'm gonna let you know, is it worth it or is it not? And let me tell you, these sneakers are so comfortable. And really, it's no surprise because on the inside, they actually have a padded insole that gives you support and a lush feeling. So for the most part, luxury shoes are just not comfortable and they're really worn just for the label, but these sneakers have been super comfortable. Another pro is that these sneakers are classic. So they come in two colors, beige and black. I chose the beige. And let me tell you, both of them are beautiful choices. The contrast of the beige with the white and the black and the gold CC is absolutely stunning. I love that with these sneakers, you can wear them to run errands, but at the same time, you could put on a beautiful dress and these shoes would stand out beautifully. So what I also love about these trainers is how supportive they are. So these sneakers have no pressure points on the inside. When you're walking, you feel that you can walk with them for long periods of time. The inside is extremely soft and durable. You don't feel any stitching inside, and it's really a well-made shoe. Height. Every girl wants a little bit of height, and many times we can only achieve that with a heel. But I found that with the sneaker, it actually gives me that little extra hump that I'm really looking for. It's 1.5 inches, but hey, anything we can use. A con is the price. They're currently retailing for $1,275. And for a pair of sneakers, that is pretty pricey. Many will say that you could just purchase a pair of Nikes or Adidas. A purse we may be fine with, but sneakers, unless you're a sneakerhead, then I could see why would you spend so much for a pair of Chanel sneakers. Another con is this color. Now, although it's a beautiful beige color that I just absolutely love, with anything that's white or any of the lighter colors, of course, it's going to stain and you're going to see scuffs, stains, and dirt. It's really a high maintenance color. Now, what I do recommend is purchasing an alcohol-based protector and spraying it on before you go outside. That way you can protect the color. But this is a color that you are going to see much more wear and tear on. So it came with these white strings and I absolutely love the fact that I can interchange them. The problem that I do have is because of this zigzag pattern, it just makes it really difficult to be able to change and put them back and forth. I really wish that instead of this zigzag pattern, we would have gotten something that's a little bit easier to interchange these laces. You're gonna have to either have had these trainers before or you're gonna have to go into the boutique. For me personally, this sneaker was large, so I actually ended up having to size down. For others, it can be smaller. So unlike most of the Chanel shoes that they tell you size up, these ones you have to size down. So you're gonna have to go into the boutique and see really which size best fits you. This isn't a shoe that you can just order online. You're gonna have to see what best fits you. So do I recommend the Chanel sneaker? And my answer is yes. This is a classic trainer that goes with everything. She is not only beautiful, but she's fashionable and comfortable, which is really rare with luxury shoes. What I do recommend that for the price point, to only splurge on one pair and use it for traveling or for your favorite destination. This is a classic shoe that will give you height, elegance. The Chanel logo is subtle, and most importantly, she is comfortable. I love you guys so much for watching. Mwah!